सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुलें हैं उसकी, ये गुलिस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासवा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजार नदियाँ, गुलशन है जिसके दम से रश के जीना हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम।
Vande Mataram. Hello everybody, this is Sushrit Nual, an educator of class 70. I am here to tell you about the Independence Day of India. Firstly, let's talk about what is Independence Day. Independence Day is the day on which we got freedom from British, who ruled on us for near about 200 years. This day is celebrated to show respect and dedication towards freedom fighters who had fought till their last breath for making our country independent. The freedom fighters have a special place in the hearts of all Indians. Now let's talk when Independence Day is observed. The Independence Day is celebrated on the 15th of August of every year. The day is the national holiday for all schools, colleges, etc. Then why Independence Day is observed? The Independence Day is celebrated to give favor to our freedom fighters who fought from British, who treated us very badly. The India was before also known as Son Chidiya, but the British took this title from India. But some persons have nationality towards India and want to get India freedom country. They fought against British and made India independent. This seems very easy in listening, but in reality it was not. The freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and Rani Lakshmibai have done many struggles, fought many fights and done many sacrifices. This took India towards the path of independence. Now, how do we celebrate Independence Day? To celebrate this day, every year the national flag is hoisted by Prime Minister at Red Fort in New Delhi. And parade and jaki competition according to their culture. It is the national holiday for schools, colleges, offices. That's why in schools it is celebrated before one day. The day is filled with patriotic feeling and people commemorate the freedom fighters who shed their blood for freedom of country. Now let's talk how Independence Day is celebrated in our school. In our school, every parade and culture activities are observed on this day. Students and teachers are involved in various activities to instill a feeling of nationalism. Let us all keep this feeling of nationalism and patriotism and continue to make our nation proud and progressive. A very happy Independence Day to you all. Sushrit Nual signing off. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.